My name is Yvonne Murphy. I'm a senior civil engineer from Mott MacDonald, and I'm here to talk to you today about a project that was selected by the Institution of Civil Engineers as one of the top 200 projects in the past 200 years. The project is based in China, and it actually started as a charitable project, and it was the first of a programme of projects delivered by the Institution of Civil Engineers Caring Engineering Society, which is a very long title, so they go as ICARE. ICARE started with the Hong Kong Association of the Institution of Civil Engineers, and they recognised a need for civil engineering skills in communities, particularly in Southeast Asia and China, and areas where maybe traditionally they didn't get the investment or support that they needed, and essential infrastructure would make a huge difference on the ground. So the first project that I want to talk about is in San Tong Village. It's a population equivalent of 1,000 people, and it was recognised that they were suffering from ill health, and we didn't know why. So in 2011 there was some water tests done on the local water wells, and it was found to be highly polluted, and this was causing illnesses. So the ICARE team came in and said, right, we need a new scheme, and they found an alternative water source 3 kilometres away and designed and constructed within a year to have this source transmit water from the source through transmission pipes and have a storage tank to the people and to supply them with clean water. To deliver the scheme, it was 3 phases, so they had to extract water from the new source, they had to lay transition pipes to get it to the village, and transition pipes within the village to get it to the people's homes. Major challenges developing in rural areas, particularly in China and Southeast Asia, is access to facilities and access to adequate quality for parameters such as water quality sampling. It's not cheap to do, and it takes a lot of skills on the ground that aren't necessarily able to operate for free. So it's really nice to have charities that are there that can put these measures in place, because it would make a huge difference. That was a really successful scheme. People's health improved, irrigation was improved, and it was just a really simple change to make a huge difference on the ground, and having the right skills in place, which I think is a really successful thing. I know that the ICARE team are identifying projects all the time of a similar nature that they're looking to deliver, but this is the one that was highlighted for the institution as the top 200 because it was their first one, so it was a bit of a leading edge for them. The legacy of ICARE projects is little changes making a huge difference. So San Tong Village is only one of a number of projects where they can make a real difference on the ground. This is 500 families, and they have clean water now and improved health, which essentially is what engineering is all about. Civil engineering is people engineering. It's making a difference on the ground that makes people's lives better. British Medical Journal has recognised that one of the best advances in medicine in the past 200 years is the provision of clean water, and it has actually saved more lives than vaccines or any other medication that has been developed. And I think that's a really impressive statistic, and it's one that would inspire people to become civil engineers, because that's our bread and butter. It's providing clean water, getting rid of dirty water, treating it, and keeping the environment in check while serving people in a sustainable way. I chose to be a civil engineer because I identified it as an avenue for me to keep doing maths and physics and to apply it to real life situations that could make a real difference. I felt that every day will be different. It's a diverse project base. Nothing is ever the same, which is really exciting, and you can affect a wide range of people in a positive way, and I think that's a really good thing about being a civil engineer. It is people engineering, it is making lives better for people, and there's just so much opportunity there, and you won't get bored, so I'd recommend it.